My name is Paul O'Connell. I am one of the principal dentists with 3 Dental. We have a few clinics in Dublin, Limerick and Galway. I've done a number of orthodontic courses over the years, but I was looking to do something that was really comprehensive, kind of addressed a few areas that I thought I could improve on. And an orthodontist who used to work with us recommended Cephtactics. So I looked him up, liked what I saw, so I made contact, ended up doing the course. It was brilliant, very, very good, comprehensive course, covered everything. Teaching, mostly Raj, who I think is excellent. Not only is he an encyclopedia of orthodontics, but he's also just a very personable guy, an extremely good, entertaining speaker, which always makes things easier, especially if you're doing a long session. He also has quite a few support staff working with him. Some people might be particularly involved with aligners. You've got a website always that you can go to if you want to learn a little bit more. There's a huge number of further on courses you can do. It's given me a lot more confidence. It also helps in that you know better what you're doing when something isn't working the way you want. The one thing I will say, and I've said this to quite a few people, anyone particularly interested in orthodontics in general, or our specific area of it, is that far and away this was the best course I've ever done.